Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us for a quick product look through of KPI Cloud Analytics, Power BI. And we will be showing you one of our solutions that we've built for Power BI. KPI Cloud Analytics is a pre-built package that takes data from your source systems such as EBS, SAP, SFTC, and other systems, and puts it together in a way to help people springboard in their implementations, Power BI implementations, to get insight quicker. The key benefits of this is, first off, we've built everything with best practices for Azure and Power BI. Therefore, we reduce the risk of building something that is not sustainable. We reduce the cost, and we reduce the complexities because we've already figured that out. Second, it's a significant cost savings because it is a pre-built application. It is much faster to take the KPI Cloud Analytics package and customize it for your own organization. And to start from brand new, it makes for a great launch point. Given the fact that we're saving costs, we're also saving a lot of time. With 150 pre-built dashboards and reports, you can cross various functions, and each of these are built not just by technical experts, but functional experts in each of those areas. It helps you accelerate your time to value. You are moving beyond the idea of just giving people Excel and having them dump everything out and then figure out what they're going to do manually. Rather, we give them visual cues to do that. And because of that, we get substantial productivity gains. You'll see a lot of time saved, not just in implementation, not just in building data jobs or building reports, which you will save, but there's also time savings in your business process and how people use reports and how quickly they can pull value from reports. So we have many modules. The first one, and the one that I'm going to show you today, is the accounts payable module. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Power BI instance here. And this is the accounts payable dashboard. As you can see here, we have a lot of summary level detail and summary level data and a lot of detail as well. So you have different tabs. And you can also see, for example, here, all of the different kinds of reports that we have and data sets that we have pre-built for you. But these are built in crisp, clean ways to help you get to insights quicker. Not only is there presentation and data behind all of this, we also have, statistical analysis, that you can put in here, and based on the questions that we know people within those lines of business tend to ask. These also have been built by AP and AR and GL experts throughout the time, right? So for example, let's take a look at my payable summary dashboard. Not only does this give me a summary dashboard, but it also comes with logic that lets me drill through and say, okay, well, what do I need to know about each of the vendors, right? So I can, instead of having to dump all the data out and then build another set of reports or go to another report and apply more and more filters, I can go ahead and take a look, say, okay, this is the money that I spent for this vendor. Where did I spend it? And from here, I can go to the PO if I want. I go to the invoice. I can go to the shipment. I can go to all these different tabs. All this comes pre-built in. Again, there's over 150 of these that you can leverage to jumpstart your Power BI implementation. So again, to sum up again, right, what you saw here is that we took data and we applied it into the Azure cloud using Azure best practices and making sure that things are scalable and built for Azure. That reduces your risk. So secondly, right, that you're using a pre-built package that reduces your cost. You can get into implementation a lot quicker and a lot faster. And because you can do that, you can get to your time to value in a remarkably fast time. We're talking weeks, not months, right? And sometimes it can even be days. And then productivity gains, again, it helps built in such a way to help break out of the just dumping data cycle, right? It helps people think about how do I best leverage Power BI and its capabilities to make more sense of my data. Thank you for this time. And again, this was a summary of KPI Cloud Analytics for Power BI.